What is climate change? Our Earth's climate is always changing. The climate has been both warmer and cooler than now. These changes can last thousands or millions of years. By cutting down trees, carbon dioxide gets released into the atmosphere. As a result, the climate changes and gets warmer. What are other causes of climate change? The Earth's distance from the sun sending out more energy, and volcanoes erupting are all causes for the climate to change. Scientists believe that the Earth's climate will increase for the next 100 years. What can we do to help? We can help by using less energy by turning off lights when we're not using them and using less water. Take the bus, bike, or carpool to reduce transportation emissions. Invest in solar panels or wind turbines to increase clean energy. What organizations exist? One organization that we found is the Climate Reality Project. Our mission is to catalyze a global solution to the climate crisis by making urgent action a necessity across every level of society, is the organization's quote. Some of the things they're working on are to cut greenhouse gas emissions and to halt the Trump administration's radical fossil fuel agenda. In this graph, it shows how the amount of carbon has risen over the past 400,000 years, and the number 0 representing the year 1950. On the left, it says parts per million, which pretty much means the concentration of the carbon in the atmosphere. And the line in the middle of the chart shows how the atmospheric carbon dioxide hasn't gone over the line for the past centuries, meaning that the amount of carbon is rising in the atmosphere. What is the greenhouse effect? The greenhouse effect is a natural process that warms the Earth's surface when the sun's energy reaches the Earth's atmosphere. Some of it is reflected back to space, and the rest is absorbed and re-radiated by greenhouse gases. Effects of climate change. 1. The sea levels will rise between 1 and 4 feet by the year 2100 because of the melting ice, which could result in entire coastal cities going underwater. Number 2. Changes in weather patterns. This can also mean more extreme weather patterns. 3. The oceans will warm up, causing the death of a lot of fish. Also, the ocean is becoming more acidic due to more amounts of carbon being absorbed by the water. 4. Temperature increase. The global temperature has risen about 1 degree Celsius since the 19th century. Agriculture could die due to risen temperature, leading to less food. 6. Also, the greenhouse gases lead to more carbon in the atmosphere. And 7. Increased number of droughts and heat waves. Places most vulnerable to rising sea levels. Shanghai, China. London, England. Houston, Texas. Osaka, Japan. Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. And Miami, Florida.